9 Incredible benefits of sage tea. The health benefits of sage tea include its ability to lower anxiety, reduce cancer risk, mitigate menopausal symptoms, detoxify the body, aid in weight loss, reduce blood sugar levels, boost appetite, soothe the stomach, and stimulate the immune system. Sage contains a volatile chemical compound called thujone that can be dangerous when consumed in large quantities. However, moderate consumption of sage tea, particularly if you don't have any existing liver or kidney conditions, should not have any adverse side effects. What is sage tea? Sage tea is made from the leaves of the sage plant, which is native to the Mediterranean region and has become one of the most beloved herbs used in culinary applications around the world. However, the high concentrations of vitamin A, C, B family, K, and E, as well as copper, fiber, calcium, iron, and magnesium make this a very popular herb in medicinal applications. Health benefits of sage tea. Let's discuss some of the important health benefits of sage tea. Reduces menopausal symptoms. Perhaps the best-known use of sage tea is as a menopause regulator, specifically in the case of hot flashes. Studies have shown a definitive drop in hot flashes in menopausal women using this tea on a regular basis. Additionally, it also reduces other menopausal symptoms, such as mood swings and overactive bladders. Weight loss. Although sage tea can be an appetite stimulant, it is also well known to reduce levels of LDL bad cholesterol, which can help reduce obesity and fasten metabolism. The rich blend of antioxidants also helps prevent oxidative stress and wear on the metabolism, which can lead to fat deposition. Detoxifies the body. As a natural diuretic and stimulant for the liver and kidneys, sage tea is able to speed the process by which toxins are eliminated from the body through urination. This can lower the strain on the lymphatic system, as well as the kidneys and liver. This tea also induces sweating, which further helps to detoxify the body through the skin. Helps control diabetes. This herbal tea lowers the fasting blood glucose level in the body, which can help ease the strain on the pancreas. This also helps prevent the dangerous spikes and drops in glucose and insulin that people with diabetes have to be careful about. For those without diabetes, but at risk of developing the disorder, sage tea can be an effective preventative measure. Boosts circulation. Significant levels of iron in sage tea mean that it can help to stimulate circulation since iron is a key component in red blood cells. With additional RBCs, the body can effectively oxygenate cells and extremities of the body to improve repair and function. Antioxidant effects. Sage has a number of powerful antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic acids, as well as a number of antioxidant enzymes. All of these seek out and neutralize free radicals before they can cause oxidative stress, mutation, and apoptosis in the body. This can help prevent and mitigate the severity of chronic diseases and premature aging, among many other things. Relieves anxiety. Sage tea is considered a stimulant, but it can also have relaxing qualities on mood and nerves, while also improving focus and memory. Sage can also increase performance in high-stress situations and reduce chronic anxiety. Boosts appetite. For those recovering from an accident, surgery, or long-term illness, it may be important to eat a lot of food to gain back your energy. Sage tea has appetite-stimulating properties that can help you put those pounds back on. Aids in digestion. Sage contains antioxidants and possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which can soothe an upset stomach and promote healthy digestion. The antibacterial and antiviral qualities of this herb can also balance the microflora in the gut, ultimately, relieving excess flatulence, bloating, cramping, and constipation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting videos. If you like our video, please share it with your friends.